it's Nell and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna go straight to the point and I'm gonna talk about how I edit my thumbnail. I'm not looking at my very best because my
eyebags are out and about and my hair is in like a messy state.
But I don't care because this is how I look when I'm editing videos. So if you were to see any of the YouTube professional, they would tell you that you need to focus on your thumbnails as well, because that is like your first impression for your YouTube channel. Basically any smartphone that you can take picture with. So usually what I will do is that I will take a separate photos for my thumbnail and I will use my iPad. Okay guys, so once I take my photos with my iPhone, I will edit it on my Lightroom. I will airdrop this first to my iPad. I've already airdropped my photos.
So this is how my photo looked like after editing. So now let's begin with the editing process. So firstly, I use the eraser app to erase all the unnecessary background, and once I import the photo, I will then proceed to erase the background. So like you can see, I'm gonna fast forward this part when I'm just eliminating all the unwanted background. Low-key, I wish I can eliminate all the unwanted people in my life this fast too. Anyway, it's so satisfying to watch when I put it in fast forward mode, but boy, only God knows how tedious it was. So once I'm happy with the end result, I will save it on my device. So the next app that I'm going to use is called CANVA, and CANVA is an amazing app that allows you to dive into your creative soul. I love CANVA ever since I started using it, and it has helped me in most of my thumbnail. So as you can see, it has so many templates that you can choose from. So as you can see, I'm choosing the YouTube thumbnail, and they have tons of templates that you can play around with, and these are all provided free from CANVA, but I usually press on the blank canvas. So once I select the blank canvas, I'm able to create my own magic here. So what I will do is that I will upload the photo that I've edited and import it to the blank canvas. So like I say, they have tons of free background that I can actually choose from, and sometimes I would use the background that they have provided, but most time I will just use a solid color background to fit my own aesthetics. So once I got my background color settled, I will adjust the position of my picture, and if I want to put in more photos, all I have to do is upload and import them to the canvas. And like I said, CANVA allow you to dive into your creativity part of the brain. So this is the time where I will play around with the layering, positioning, sizing of the photos for my thumbnail. Since I'm less creative than most YouTubers, so I'm gonna settle with something simple but still look eye-catching enough, I hope. So then I'll save it on my device again. So moving on, since I want to add fonts to my thumbnail, so I will use the infamous PHONTO app. So what I will do is that I'll import the picture, and once the picture is up, I will then add text. So since this is just a tutorial, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna use this thumbnail for this video, but I'm just gonna share with you guys anyway so that you can get a rough idea on how I do it. So I will type in how to edit YouTube thumbnail, and my font to go to is Futura Medium Italic, but PHONTO have tons of fonts that you can use for free too. So you can just explore and play around with it. Then I will choose my font color, and I'm gonna spice it up a little bit with shadow so that it won't be lonely, if you know what I mean. And to even make it more spicy, I will curve the text and make it look even more fancy. So you can play around with the spacing as well, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So I'm just gonna adjust accordingly and make it look more bearable. Then I'm gonna save it to my device. Okay guys, so last but not least, if you're a fan of doodling, then I would recommend Sketches. And I might not have the most nimble fingers, but I kind of like the idea of doodling and put my own essence on the thumbnails, so I usually use this app, but I'm not too sure if Android App Store will have this though. So usually I will just play around with the type of marker and color first to suit the whole thumbnail theme. For now, I will just draw heart shape and polka dots to make this thumbnail a little bit more cute. So basically that's it. So these are the final outcome of using all the 4 apps, and I will link everything in the description box below so you can check it out too.
Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And if let's say you guys want to see more content from my channel, please don't hesitate to comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll try to put it up for you. So thank you once again, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Oh, and yes, please stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!